Now let's discuss manual decompilation. Decompiling an APK or Android application package can be done manually using a few steps. Please be aware that decompiling an APK without permission from its creator or in violation of their license agreement could be illegal. The Android APK can be downloaded from GitHub through the link below. Drag the Android APK file from the download folder to the desktop. Please create a folder on your desktop computer and move the APK file in there. Now rename the APK file to Android APK to android.zip. You can extract the files from the zip containing the application's package. Right click on the zip file and then click on extract all. Next click on extract. Now open the extracted file. The folder contains some of the application source code and folders. You can also read the manifest file inside the meta folder. Please be aware that decompiling an APK without receiving permission from the creator could be illegal or may violate their license agreement. Note that this information is only for educational purposes and be sure to act ethically at all times. Also, because app developers use obfuscation techniques, the decompiled source code could differ from the original code.